psycho hamster just had babies. What a smart thing to do. She's been doing this ever since I took out her wheel because she was totally ignoring the babies to run in the wheel. That's the baby, by the way. Go, mother. Go. Run to the nest. If you're wondering, the boy is separated. I did not know she was pregnant. And look, now we have little bundles of joy. And one psycho mother. See, she's running around. She's psycho. Oh, is that her or the babies? Yeah, she's coming out the other side. Fortunately, we can't see the babies right now because she tried to kill them. So, oh yeah. By the way, if you guys have any hamster baby tips, like how to clean the cage when they're babies, or like stuff like that, like how to get the mother to stop climbing walls and pay attention to her babies, or maybe how to, like, when you can hold them, and when I'm able to, I probably will have a video up here. But for now, let's see what the retard does. I don't know what she's doing right now. Hey, we can't get what you think. Is she going to burn? Wait, yeah, she has, I think. Earlier, she was trying to go around that. Oh, please, please, no, okay, good. Oh, they're alive down there, squeaking. Go down there, mother. Well, we'll get back to you guys later. Wait, what's she gonna do? She's looking at the walls. Oh, never mind. Wait, I was right. She says, bye-bye. Okay, see you guys later. Wait, what'd she do? She says bye-bye with a successful stunt. Hey, let's see what she's gonna do. Okay, she went down the ladder. Okay. Well, see you guys. I'm gonna try to make some videos. And, well, of course I'm gonna be putting videos up, like, babies when I get to hold them, if I can find out that. And videos of course, this little munchkin. Yes. Yes, videos of the munchkin. Well, see you guys. Bye.